Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Trading with Easy in the Oracle. We are live. Live. Well, happy Friday to everybody. Let me see. Happy Friday to everybody. Let's see. Let me see. All right, so we currently in the trade, right? We are in the opening trade, got in up here, and we've been trailing down ever since. Kind of going a little low on the contracts, only going 4. Well, I started out with 2, and then I added kind of late. So, let's see what it do. Nice. Added kind of late, but we have come with a downward trend. We got in the trade right here. We added it right. I added right about here, and we consolidated a little bit, and then we going down. So we still in the trade from the open. All right, so we riding it down from the open all the way down. So.
And the good thing is the open started, so we put the fib on, and the session started at 50% of the fib and off the 200. So that's a good play.
You're a good play.
That's a perfect play.
Right there.
Damn, how we gonna do it here?
We go right at the 273. Right there. Might take this off at the 273. 273. You see the 273 right there? 273. We got a cluster down there.
Oh, that's where it stopped at. Okay.
Yeah, that's where it stopped at. So.
Okay, let's see.
And survey says that's where my take profit at.
Oh, right there. Mine is under it.
My take profit is right there.
Mine is under it.
Under it, yeah. I'm still in. I'm moving it. Moving it. I got my finger on the trigger. If it start doing something.
Right.
All right, we trailing. Okay. And we trailing. Boom, I took that off.
You took it off?
I took that off.
Okay, I am still there.
I took that off.
Damn, I should have taken it off.
Yes, I took that off.
I'm gonna wait though.
Yes. Good play. Woo!
I didn't get too much of my profits, but
yes. Good play. Took that off. All right, that was a good Friday play.
Why I can't fucking take it at zones like I'm supposed to?
I took that off. That's okay. Yep. Woo.
That's okay.
So my indicator, one of my indicators are not right.
Trust the process, Mr. Trust the process.
My indicators are all show fields. There we go. There go my lines. My chart show trade lines. I ain't worried about that. But yes, so I got in.
So that hit London lows down there, yeah.
Yes. All right. So let's go to talk about the market. I'm not in the trade anymore. So look at that.
I'm still in.
Still in?
Yeah.
You still in?
Yeah.
So what happened was, one of the reasons why we went down is we got the weekly high right here. Okay, so we tapped off the weekly high and it's rejected the weekly high. This is the daily high. This is the weekly high. So since we pink, is that the, oh no, that's the weekly low. I'm sorry. So the weekly low, this all of a sudden became resistance. So the market went up and tapped. This is the hourly chart. So we went up, we tapped the weekly low for 3 hours in a row, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3. Matter of fact, almost 4 hours it tapped up here. And as we know how the market works, every time it rejects an area, that means it's going to drop. So since it rejected this area 4 times, this morning it came up and it hit it again and it rejected and it's falling. Now this is going to be the daily low. Now we may have, if we pass the daily low, then the market is on a downward trend. Well, we're on a downward trend now, but look like we are definitely on the downward trend. If you look at the overall market, this is the hourly. Way at the top up here from Monday. We started this trend Monday. And the trend been going down ever since Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today Friday. So we've been on the downward trend. Good morning. Good morning. It looked better than yesterday. Oh, absolutely better than yesterday. Yesterday was a shit show. Yeah. So today is definitely a good trend. And we've been rocking and rolling. But let's go to the daily chart. Because last night when I looked at it, the daily candle was green, but the daily candle right now is red. And if you look at the overall daily candles, again, from Monday all the way to the end of the week. But if you notice...
Yeah, that's why it was a no trade day for us.
Yeah, yesterday was a no trade day. If you notice, the start of the week, which was Monday, here is your weekly high. Okay, and it went from the weekly high to the weekly low, and it passed the weekly low. And so since we passed the weekly low, we are on a downward trend. But we got some key levels down here. Look like the market may meet up with right here. You see that key level right there, right in this area right here at about 29,000. So the market always go to like even numbers for pivot points. So 29,000 would probably be the next pivot point for this market, or it may end off the day at about 29,000 and just kind of consolidate for the rest of the day. But yeah, this is the daily chart. Now I got the Fibonacci on the daily chart, and I'm going to show you guys how the Fibonacci works. We started this upward trend way back in March. And we went from the downward trend all the way to the up. And then we consolidated. We double topped up here on the daily chart. And then we started trending down. And we hit the 50% Fibonacci on the daily chart. And then we shot straight back up for a couple of days. And then we right in this area up here, we can actually put a fib. Well, not really. We did a V shape right here. This is hard resistance right in this area at 30,100. So 30,100 is a hard resistance area, and it didn't break it. So it's coming back down, and we almost close. Matter of fact, we touching the 23.6 on the Fibonacci on the daily candle. So if we break that, the next line of defense is either the 29,000, or we got a big cluster down here that I kind of marked off right here that we may hit. If not, then we go to the 38.2, but probably not today though. Probably not today on the 38.2. I think that's where we going. If we go on a downward trend, we're gonna go from up to down, all the way down here, back to the 50% fib, maybe retest the 50% fib. And if it breaks the 50% fib on the higher time frame, then we're going to be on a downward trend all the way to the 61.8. But that's going to be...
So we under the 50%, right?
Well, that's that's the daily. That's the daily chart.
Yeah.
So we go back to the 15-minute, take a look at that. Okay, 15-minute chart. If you could look, see that, boom. So many people blew their accounts yesterday. Yes, and I made a video about that. I made a video about, and I've seen it on TikTok and Instagram, and I've seen a couple of videos about how people blew their accounts trying to force trade the market yesterday. You can't force it. Like, you can't. If you see signs of, the market is not doing the trend, the orb is not working correctly, and all kinds of stuff like that, then you have to say to yourself,
But from back testing, the opening, the orb, neither the 9 o'clock candle did anything. It was just still in the box.
It was just in the box, and it was just terrible price action. It was just bad. We still on the downward trend, so
downward trend. We're coming back down to where I should have got out at. Now I done took all this pullback, trying to get back to right there. I have to do better with that.
I took that off. I took that off. A nice little profit on that one, and took a nice little profit on this account. Wow! So I'm green for the day. Woo!
And then what you trading this morning? Okay, we're coming back down there.
Yep. All right. Yes. Let me see. Indicators.
Trying to see what would be the next. What would be the next target?
Next target is going to be.
We have another pivot, another zone.
29,200.
202?
Yeah. 29. Yeah, 202. Yeah, that's going to be the daily.
Okay.
That's the next target. So shit, it's going there now. She trading Bitcoin. Yeah, it's going.
She trading Bitcoin. Okay.
You about to get out now? Wait, you about to get on now? Oh, you about to get on? Let's see. Bitcoin on a downward trend. 15-minute look nice on Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin look nice for a pullback. Bitcoin did that big upward trend. You had Trump announce some stuff yesterday, and that what drove Bitcoin up yesterday. But as all things come up, they must come down. So we on a downward trend on Bitcoin. So if you're in the short, you might be okay. Okay, let's go back to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, beautiful textbook play, man. I mean, we got in the trade this morning. Talk about my trade. So I got in the trade way up here. We got in the trade at the top up here and came down. We added right here and we wrote it down. Man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consolidation, 7, 8, maybe about 9 candles, 9, 10 candles. So we wrote it down about 10 candles, but we went light. We added, so we still was kind of light on this here. Still made good, almost $1,000 on this. So, yeah.
I don't like how the 5 minutes are forming. The 5-minute candles right there? 5 minutes.
Yeah,
they just ranging. All them wicks all on the bottom.
Yeah, the 15-minute look kind of, it look like a, but you know what it's doing? The RSI is low, so it's got to come up, be pulled back and then come back down. I really like, so what our strategy is like this, right? This morning, the open came, the perfect play. We came off the 200, right? This is the 200. This is the 20. You can't get no better than this, right? You came off the 200. We got a nice little power candle here. We got in as soon as we saw the next candle come in, and we wrote it down. We got a color change right here, and all you got to do is follow the 20. Follow the 20. And so what's happening now is, as all things separate from the 20, it goes back and it touched the 20, and it should be continuation. We not too wide as a Pac-Man mount right now, so we should be good for a continuation. You see that? Follow the 20. Boom.
We back into the orb, and I don't like that.
Yeah, but we tapping on the 20.
Mm-hmm.
Let me set up, I did it. I got an indicator. Opening range. Let's go.
Okay. And this 5-minute candle don't have a wick on the bottom, so.
Let's go 8. Opening hour 8:30. 8:30. Start 15 minutes. Save.
Right now we in between the 20 and the 9 EME. Let's push down.
Yep. The app is doing maintenance right now. You can't trade. Really? Trade view doing maintenance on a Friday in the middle of the session? That is weird.
But the practice though, that's the practice account, so it may be.
Yeah.
Yeah, we definitely need to stay out of the orb. If we're going down, because if we get a candle to close inside of the orb, that's not good for shorts.
Yeah.
You say 4 minutes is all it took?
4 minutes.
I am still stuck in this same trade from the opening. I didn't take profits at the zone that it hit down there when Eric did, so now I'm kind of stuck in it. In hopes that we go back down there. RSI looks good.
RSI looks good. RSI looks really good. RSI looks really good. If you follow the 20, see, if you look at the 20 is a zone. See, we got a trend. It may go up and touch the 20, but it's respecting the 20. As long as it don't break over the 20.
Go above it.
Right. As long as it don't go above the 20 and start trending up, we fine. But look at that. See, long as it's respecting the 20, boom, we should be straight. See how it tapped the 20 and it's coming down?
Yep, come on down.
Come on down. Come on down till the price is right.
So I needed to come back down to the lows.
Which around
right
29,
there,
257. 255, yeah.
Up in that area. Yep, I needed to come back right there. Well, you have that second red line.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's going over the 20.
Yeah, it's going
not
over
respecting.
It's going to
respect it.
Well, we could put the fib. So we could put the fib on
that
here.
part, huh?
Yep. We could put the Fibonacci on here. Boom. Let's do the fib.
And we doing what?
Let's put the
100%
fib.
is
0 at the bottom, 100% at the top.
God, what did I do with it? I drew it.
Boom. All right. So we got the Fibonacci on here. And so let's see what the fib says.
It says 0% at the top, baby?
100 at the top.
Oh, 100 at the top. Okay. So let's see.
So when you're looking at the Fibonacci, and if it's doing a retracement, what you're looking for is maybe a 50% retracement or better. But nah, we not going that high. This market coming back down. It ain't even go to the 38.2. It's right at the 23.6, and it's coming back down. So, yep, it's respecting the 20. The market is respecting the 20. This is all textbook, y'all. Anytime you want to see textbook plays, this is absolutely textbook. Off the 200, off the 20, following the 20 on the trend. It came back, tapped the 20 for a retracement, coming straight back down. We at the 23.6. This right here is all textbook. You can't get no better than this. I just took profits right at the bottom. That's all. The key to the game is to get in this area. This is the key. The key to get in right off of the 200. As soon as you see the 20 cross the 200, we know that was it right there. Because if you look at how the 200 and the 20 works, if the market is above the 200, we're going to stay above the 200. But if we break the 200, we on the downward trend. If you look at how look how the 20 respects the 200. It come and it tap the 200, it goes up. Come back down, tap the 200, goes up. Come back down, tap the 200, goes up. And that's what it does. Come back down, tap the 200 and goes up. But when we see a curve in the 20, we saw the curve in the 20 coming down, and it tapped the 200. That was critical, but it did not go back up. It broke the 20. It broke the 200. Once it broke the 200, and it came back and it retested the 200. See, we had a double top at the 200, and boom.
We're coming back down.
Oh, yeah, look at that. I told you that. Respect the 20.
Down.
Respect the 20. That's it.
All right.
I love the 20.
Okay, but we coming back down to this zone.
Yeah, the 29,
255.
255.
Yeah, fuck. Should I take this now? We're back down here. See, this is the hard part with me. This is insane that I'm like this.
All right.
It's breaking. Yeah.
Yes. It broke.
Yes.
Boom. All right, gotta be careful.
I know,
so let's look at it. Let's look at it. So I squeeze back up. All right, and the reason why
it's gonna break out. It's gonna break out.
Yep. The next zone is 29,200. 29,200 is the next zone. Around in that area, 202, 29,202, or 29,220 in that area. I think we go hit 29,200. And once we hit 29,200, then it may stall out.
But look, we about to hit the daily down here.
Yes.
Fuck.
We about to, definitely 203. Once it hit 203, I would be definitely.
All right, huh?
Yeah, I would be definitely looking to take profits.
Look, this 15-minute candle is about to be set. I don't like though that it's set at this zone and it did not break it. Okay, we're coming to the daily. Coming to the daily.
Almost at the daily.
Fuck.
Yeah. RSI is still
Okay,
look
go back
good.
down there again. I'm taking it.
You taking it, yeah.
Oh Lord, this is this is terrible. Why am I like this?
Oh no, you
Can't hit the fucking button to get out.
Hit the button. You gotta hit that button.
Cause it tapped it, man.
Yeah, You gotta hit the button. Got to hit the button. Get out of that shit.
This is insane. God help me.
To see that's the only thing about trading, guys, that it's very emotional. Psychology is by far the most important part about this. Knowing when to hit the button, knowing when to get out.
I'm in hopes that it's gonna give us more. It's gonna go down more. It hit a zone, so it's a possibility it may not go under it. It is. We tapping on it. I see 1,000. I'm hitting and getting out, and that's it. Just it. Yeah. But I know it's gonna go under that though.
Be greedy. Just take what you see.
I know.
See 1,000 get out. See, it's hesitating. It's fucking around. Yeah. Damn.
I see. We don't know if we gonna even break that shit. Like it should though. Well, we hit the daily down there.
Yeah.
We hit the daily down there. That's what I wanted to see how this 15-minute candle is set up. Okay. Now we got a good wick.
Yeah. All right.
On this 15-minute candle.
Good wick on the 15-minute candle. Yeah. So we should go to the daily.
Yeah.
The daily is 29,202. That's the daily 29,202. That's what the target is. Let's see. Oh, she's dropping. That's a good deal. Good deal. What you gonna do? She's tapping it. Let's see. Daily. I'm trying to. My indicators is messed up. Let's see. Opening range breakout. Opening range. Let's see if that's it. Asia high, Asia low.
Oh.
Let's see my indicator. Opening range. That's what I thought I had.
I
thought I had. Let's see what I got. Opening range. 8. Okay. Let's go. She coming down.
I'm still in it.
Are you still in it? Oh, okay.
Still in it, baby.
Yeah, well, it's got to go to the daily now. That's what I'm thinking.
It's at the daily right now.
Daily is 29,202.
This yesterday's.
The daily is 29,202. 29,202. That's it. Y'all doing longs or shorts? We shorts.
Yeah, I'm short.
Yeah, we short.
Since the opening.
Yeah, since the opening. So I got out right in this area.
The zone.
I got out at the zone. She's still in it. And she going all the way down to 29,200. Look at that. Nice and sweet. 29,200. And again, when you're looking at how we trade, what do we say? Respect the 20. And so if you respect the 20, and then now it's a little separated from the 20, but respect the 20. Oh, yes. The RSI is a little low.
It is.
So we still in shorts.
It is.
But the fib is null and void right now. We can take that off.
165. We got another pivot right there, 165.
Yeah. She might go up a little bit to go. You don't want it to go way up there and touch the 20 again. She might go because she's his little stretch. All right, so we still, I don't think our Pac-Man mount is wide enough, so I think we still got time to go down a little more. And once we hit that daily at
Look at the hourly.
29,200, I think we should be straight. The hourly count. Oh yeah.
Look at the hourly.
Hourly looks good. Dang, we 9:21. So we've been in it. So we went through the 9 o'clock opening too. All right, here we go. About 20 more points from take profit.
My take profit is at 165.
Oh, you going past?
It's right here. This, huh? No, yeah, it must be past that. Yeah, because this where the initial one was right there, huh?
Yeah.
Right here? Okay.
Okay. We about 30 points from the low. 30 points from the low. And I think once she hit this low down here, she gonna stall out.
Yeah.
Now it may not hit it perfectly. So we do have something that 29, so what it did was it hit 29,216. 29,216, you got two candles right there that got wicks at 29,216.
On which chart?
On the 15-minute chart. You got two candles right there. And then on the 30-minute chart, you got one candle right there at 29,216. That was the start of the pivot point. So it looked like she going back up and touched the 20.
Again.
Let's see how many legs we got on this one.
I know, because what's getting concerning is we hit the daily down there.
So let's count the legs.
3.
Yep, 1, 2. Yeah, we had 3. Our third leg. Yep. So, but we've been on a downward trend since 7:45. So we've been on a downward trend since 7:45.
Yeah, so, we're doing shorts, and then you're still in the short.
Yep.
Yep, FOMO definitely. Which I kind of knew how it was gonna play out, but sometimes you just prematurely get out and shit. You could have got more.
Yeah. So I got out right in this area. I took the trade up here, and I took the trade up in this area, and I got out right here. I added in this area of the consolidation, and then I got out right here.
Okay, so I do like that the 20 looks like it's curving now, so that makes it harder for it to break over it. When it's straight pointed down, it's good for it could pop over it like that easily. Come on, now we're coming back to the orb. It's the orb retest. Must be. The 20 holding.
The 20 holding. The 20 holding is respecting the 20. Now, once we get down a little more, it's going to eventually have this 20 start curving and then start going back up to the 200. Now the 200 is still straight. It's starting to slant a little bit. The 200 is starting to slant a little bit, but respect the 20. And if you go all the way back, right here, so all you got to do is respect the 20. Boom, go up, tap the 20, respect the 20. Nice power candle came in, go all the way down, came back up, hit the 20, respect the 20. Come all the way down. Now I hit the 20 again, respect the 20. Come all the way down. So I think the 20 is one of my best indicators that helps guide you to the light.
The 20 and the 200.
The 20 and the 200.
5 minute.
Oh, let's see. Let's go back and let's look at the 5 minute. Oh yeah, dang. Dang, that is insane. I would like to see the 20 catch up a little bit with this trade, because but since it's crossing over on the 5 minute, shit, we might break the daily. Let's look at the 15 minute. The 15 minute crossed over the 200. Wow. So the 15 minute crossed over the 200, the 5 minute crossed over the 200, and the 30 minute? 30 minute is...
About to get another 30 minute come in too.
Yeah, 30 minute got the 200 up here, but we still coming down here. Looks like the 20 is...
I like that long wick though.
Yeah.
We shouldn't go back into the orb.
But see, here's what kind of got me a little freaked out on this. That we came all the way down and almost touched the daily, and we shot straight up.
Oh, my daily must be set up different from yours.
Yeah, daily is at 29,203. Let's go back and look at this daily candle. Yeah, daily candle from yesterday is 29,203, and it looked like it tapped it and it shot, well, tapped right at the 23.6.
Yeah, close to
it, and it's shooting straight back up.
Trying to make sure we ain't doing a V shape here.
Oh yeah. Is micro NAS better than regular? The broker I'm currently using has NAS 100. I'm curious. No, it's sort of micro is the same as regular NAS. It's just the contracts are different. The micro, you have micro contracts versus minis. You got micro and minis. So minis is a little more powerful, a little more than micros.
More profitable than, yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, so we always stick to micros. And the reason why is because it's very, very good for risk management. And plus, you still can do very well on micros. And plus, when you're copy trading, it doesn't, you could go really, really low risk on micros versus minis. Now, once you build up a big buffer on your account, you can go minis, right? Just say if you don't mind being $1,000 in the red, if you get a pullback, or maybe $2,000 in the red for a pullback, then minis go be where you want to be at. But on micros, once you get to $100, $200 pullback, that's a lot safer. So that's the difference between the regular NAS and the micro NAS. Now, most brokers do have micro NAS. We on Tradeovate, and they got micro NAS, and if I'm not mistaken, TradingView does have micro NAS. So, matter of fact, let's see.
$9.30 candle coming.
9:30 candle coming, yes. Let's see if E-mini micro. Wow, it doesn't. Mm-hmm. It does. Wait, it does have micro. I'm looking at the TradingView. It has the NAS E-mini. Okay, I see mini. They do have micro S&P, micro gold. Oh, MMQ right there. Yes. So micro E-mini. So it does. Let me show you on TradingView. If you trade in TradingView, right here. So you do have MNQ right here. So you have the regular NQ. You have micro NQ. Matter of fact, they're coming out with a micro E-mini which is going to be a little smaller than micro. But yeah, if you launch this chart, let's see. Yes. So yeah, this is trading view right here. And wow, it has a dead. What is that? Oh, say data is delayed. Okay, because I have the free version. If you got the free version of trading view, you're gonna have this D right there on your chart, and it says data is delayed because I'm using the free version.
Checked all of that.
Get off that. We're about to come slam back down. It had to come up for a little bit. That was a good question because I didn't know the difference. Yes, definitely the difference for starting out. I would highly recommend going micro instead of minis. You'll definitely see a difference in your psychology if you go micro versus mini, because if you see thousands of dollars worth of drawdown, that messes with your mind, your brain, definitely. Now, if you see $1,000 worth of profit, then you feel good, but you know. We look like we're doing a V-shaped recovery here.
Yeah, I think so.
Let me see.
We go into the orb. We hanging out. We stalling on the orb right now.
Yeah, I see. We're right here by the orb.
Yeah, if it goes into it.
Let's put the Fibonacci on it. Let's see what we got. Let's go trend. Boom. All right. So on the fib, we right going towards the 38.2.
Okay.
So we should be fine. If we go inside the fib, if we go all the way up to the 50%, you might be right at your entry point, and it may come slamming back down. Maybe a good entry to get in. So if it goes up to the 50% fib and it comes down, I might enter the trade again. I might enter. But I hope it don't, for your sake. I hope it just.
Right. Well, I'm cool with it. Shit. If it do retrace, it's, you know. And
if it goes up to the 50% fib, that's 29,350. Let's see, 29,350 right here. That's the cluster. That is the cluster on the 2-minute chart. That's the one we have problem with. This is the right there. That cluster. That's the 50% fib right there. That's that cluster. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on here too. Fibonacci. Let's go. So you put the Fibonacci on your start of the trend. Okay, you start up the trend, and you come all the way down to the end of the trend. And you're looking for a Fibonacci retracement. If we're on the downward trend and if we got a pullback, your golden zone is between the 50 and the 61.8% on the fib. And if we go past the 61.8, then we're on the reversal. But if we hit the 50% fib and come down,
we still on a downward trend.
Then we still on a downward trend. So that'd be pretty interesting to see. But look like we're not going that far. We still hovering around. 20. We need to get back under the 20. Yeah.
We're not over the orb though, so that's a good thing. So this orb trade is waiting for this.
See that? Yeah, we still respecting the 20. We peeped above the 20 for a second. You know, and that's something you can't get too scared. You know, a lot of folks that do this type of method don't get scared when you go above the 20 a little bit. But if it goes underneath this 20 again, and the next candle rejects the 20 and keeps going down, then we still on a downward trend.
Break that low.
Yep, there we go. Perfect. Keep going. I know. Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going. I figured that they both move the same direction, just like silver and gold. One is less volatile. You know what's so crazy? Silver actually wasn't moving like gold until like maybe a year ago. Silver was like, if you backtest silver, silver was always like flat. Then all of a sudden, with all the craziness going on in the world, gold started moving, silver started moving. So now we need to reject the 20.
Mm-hmm.
We got to see that. Ooh, perfect. Rejecting the 20.
The 20 and the 9 crossing
20 and the
on
9.
the 2-minute chart.
Ooh,
Yep.
sweet. See how we tapped the 20 and rejected? So what happened was we went above the 20, came back down, broke the 20. Next candle came in, rejected the 20, and coming down. That's
Now,
what
this is a zone, though, that we
Yeah,
ain't
we
got
had
it
a
marked
zone.
off,
I don't
but
have it
this is
marked.
a zone. This London lows and this, I keep saying
Asia?
previous daily over there.
Okay.
Come on, what the fuck are you doing now? I'll go back up there.
We should respect the 20. Should.
Let's hope we do.
There we go. Boom, boom. There we go. Bitcoin is acting crazy. Oh, you on gold now? Okay, so. Okay. Gold.
Now, gold is good, Neen, in Asia session at night.
Let's
Gold
see.
is really good
Yeah,
in
let's see.
Asia.
Yeah, gold. Be careful in gold.
Yeah, you choppy.
we chop city in gold right now. You got to be. This is a 5-minute chart, and gold has been. Yeah, be careful in gold.
Oh, you're in the short, yeah.
Yeah. If you're in the
Look
short,
like you're under the, what's that, your 20?
20. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, popped over the 9.
Yeah. So gold
Yep,
hit
you
the
may
zone up
be
there. You may
good,
be fine.
Watch the, what area this is? It don't say the numbers on the side, huh?
Oh, right.
What
I'm sorry. It's
number?
at 40, 46, 42 around in that area.
Yeah, so be careful around that area.
You need to get gold to break out this box and
Yeah.
come down. So if you caught gold at the top up here, it'd be nice, catch it at the top up here, around in this area, and then take profit, maybe around in this area. Boom. Got to break this box though. So what happened was it gold consolidated, manipulated. That's what you call a manipulation candle to break the box out of the consolidation to go straight down. See, what a lot of people think when they look at this is you got consolidation, and as soon as it breaks out your box, that's a breakout. But this is a fake out.
A fake out, yeah.
This a fake out. This ain't a breakout. This a fake out.
Fake out, yeah. So you gotta watch.
You got to watch that. That is a fake out coming down. So you should be fine to come down. Yep, that's a fake out. That is crazy. That is insane. Yep. So you are, if you're in the short, you should be good on gold. You're doing small contracts. Okay. I'm riding the short down. Okay. Yep. That's why you have to put. That's why when you look at your chart, you have to recognize how the institutions and the banks see, because retail traders don't move the market. So if you look at how the big billionaires and millionaires that's in this market, they thought process. Let's go on and consolidate and see if we could get a lot of retail traders in here to think that we're going to break out to the high side, and then boom, what does it do? Come up, give you 2 candles. Now, granted that if you took the loan right off the breakout, I mean, you could take 2 candles and take profit and then get out of it. But this is what you call your break fake out right there. Boom. Interesting.
Yep, like it did me to the downside. It broke out of this box and that was it.
Yeah.
It went back in it. A fake out.
A fake out.
Close there. Good
So
deal.
what we doing right now is we about 40 minutes in, and the market is just kind of fucking around a little bit in this area.
Definitely is.
We need a flush. We were at the 23.6. We need the flush. Even if we go back to 0% down there, I would just take profit and get out of it. Even if we come back down, hit zero, hit the daily down there, I would just definitely get out of that shit and let get off the charts and get ready for the weekend, man.
Yep. And your wife gonna take your advice.
Yep.
And do just that.
Yep. Yeah, she just right here. I think when the banks and institutions do stuff like this messes with psychology with the person's mind. Like you got your green candles, then you have your red candles. Then it just messes with your psychology right here. That's all it does. I don't like the way the 20 start to be flat. That 20 start to go flat instead of a trend. That means that we get ready for a reversal. So when your 20 has been on a downward trend for a long time, that 20 been on a downward trend since 7:45. All right, so we've been on a downward trend for an hour and a half. Now she's starting to go flat. Once she start going flat, then we got to look at maybe reversing. There's going to be a reversal coming up back to the 200. The 200 is a nice little Pac-Man mount right there. So we're looking at maybe, just maybe, coming back up in this area. And we just got a big powerful candle going up. But that's fine. I think it's going to come up. I don't think it's going to break the 38.2 and then come right back down.
The orb.
Oh, it's right, the orb. Yep. Boom. Let's go. There we go. She's starting to come back down. Let's go. Yeah, the 20 starting to go sideways.
Yeah. Let's see. New 15.
New 15, yeah, new 15 coming in. Yeah, look like we may be having a.
Well, the only thing the orb here is holding it. These last couple of candles have been hitting the orb and it's just not going over it. So
So we hit 220 exactly right there at 220. And so since we hit 220, we got a nice little John Wick candle going back up. So if we pass, which we shouldn't, 29,331, which is a very, very important pivot point area, above the 38.2, get close to the 50% fib, then we definitely on a reversal. But the 50% fib up here, I think it's gonna drop at the, if it goes that far up, then we definitely gonna go drop. So we gotta see what it does in this area. Ooh. Yep. See what it do. Come on. One thing about trading, you got to have patience. You got to have patience. You got to have patience.
A different level of patience.
Man, you got to sit up there and just let it play out. Got to let it play out. Let's go to the hourly. Let's see how the hour look. The hour look like a doji candle. Damn 9 o'clock. Damn 9 o'clock candle. This is crazy. All right. She's starting to go back down now. I think what's gonna happen is 5 minutes before the top of the hour, she might race down.
Yeah.
She might flush down. RSI is high, so I think she might flush down. Then maybe the 10 o'clock candle may go up. All right. Damn. And she retraced it a whole freaking candle, man. Gotta love this 9 o'clock candle is bullshit. And look, just kind of show you guys the RSI. Look at this, the RSI, man. RSI is went up all the way up here and come straight down, and then now it's trending back up.
It's got a lot of room to the downside, though.
Yes. A lot of room to the downside.
Back under the orb, I like that.
Yep. It's weird when you look at the 1 hour chart. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 hours was all wiped out by one candle. 16 hours was wiped out. Matter of fact, this was yesterday's 2 o'clock candle. This yesterday's 3 o'clock candle. So it had wiped out all of Asia, all of London in one clean sweep in that 8 o'clock candle right there. Unbelievable, huh? It had wiped out a whole session and a half worth of games. Let's see how good it can. Let's see, right there, we almost at the 30.2. Let's go back to the hourly. Look at that. It's crazy.
So on a 5 minute, the 220 crossed right there. And the 20 look like it's holding it down.
candle is that 8 o'clock candle was 260 points, or 1,036 ticks
What that was?
on the 8 o'clock candle.
How many points it was?
260 points or 1,036 ticks. That is a lot. That is a lot. All right, we need to come down.
Still need to come down. I am safe though, so this won't be a loss.
Yeah,
it won't be a loss.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Good
not
deal.
taking
Green
the
is
loss.
good. Green is good. Green is good.
Yeah, the 20 holding over there.
Yep.
See if we get some movement down these last 10 minutes.
Last 10 minutes. Yep. See, she coming down, coming down.
Come on with it, baby.
Come on with it.
Shit. Oh, Lord, I'm so ready to get off here today. I'm doing a small contract. There you go.
Yeah, you're
Today
right.
Friday.
Today Friday. Yep. You don't want
You
to.
gotta be careful.
Don't want to leave in the red on a Friday. They just mess up your whole weekend when you leave on a Friday in the red. Well, if your whole week is green, you
Right.
gotta take one L somewhere,
Yeah.
But you don't want to take it on a Friday. Like if you go take your L, take it on a Wednesday so you can recover on a Thursday or something like that on a Friday. But out of 5 days a week, you go take one loss. One of these days you gotta take a loss. You can't be 5 days green. You go take an L somewhere.
Right.
So
Is that 20 gonna hold?
that 20 is curving up now, and that's the danger zone right there. I think it's going to meet up with the 200 now. Once we got that powerful candle that went above that 20, and that 20 starting to get flat, then curve up. Yeah, I think we gonna get this. We had that curve down. We went above it. Then we got that nice power candle that went above it. It rejected it, and then the 9 EMA is going up, and now we starting to see the 20 going up.
And the 200 is getting flatter over
Yep.
here on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, it's getting flatter.
Now, here's a good thing. On the 5-minute chart, the 20 is still curving down, right? So it's rejecting it.
And if it come into the orb, then yeah.
So this may be a good thing too. And the 200 is flat. And okay. So that's a good thing right there. She
It's
might.
not super high.
Oh yeah. Shit, she got to come down. She is about to get rejecting the 20. So on the 5-minute chart, we came off of the 20, right? We was wide from the 20, and what do? It come back up and it touched the 20, and it's still respecting the 20, coming down.
Damn, on the 2-minute, it's respecting it too.
Yeah.
So we gotta get, yeah. Okay, I like this.
Yep, I like it too. It's respecting the 20.
I like how the 5-minute came under the 9. Yup. There we go. Come
And looks like the 9 o'clock candle will end up a doji on the hourly, which kind of freaking sucked because the 9 o'clock been playing this role like this for a while, playing this doji role. Ooh,
That's because we off the 20 on the
2 minute. Yeah, so it's we got a conflict.
We got
a conflict. It's bouncing off the 200 on the 2 minute, and it's trying to respect the 20 on the 5 minute. But it look like it ain't gonna respect it. The 2 minute.
Damn.
Yeah. Yeah. Trying to bounce off it. That's why when you're looking at multiple charts, you got to compare and contrast the 2 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and the hourly to make sure it's all in alignment. And if you look at that freaking 9 o'clock, then turn green. Son of a bitch.
And going up to the
50?
Yeah.
Going up to the 50. And as we get close to the top of the hour, I've done my 2 trades for today. I am not getting no more in this market. I am done. We're going to we finish out the weekend, out the week. Actually green for the whole week because I'm green for the whole week. I did take a trade Thursday. So I ended up green Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Ended up green today. Didn't take a trade yesterday. So it's been a completely green week for me. Yeah, so we about to go into the weekend green. And that, to me, it makes it a very good weekend when you can leave out of the market going into the weekend in the green. So, y'all guys, enjoy y'all weekend.
Have a good weekend.
You know, after you finish your plays, get off the chart, turn off the computer, get ready for Monday, and enjoy yourself. All right, we go get on out of here. Any last words? All right. And put up my disclaimer real quick. Thank y'all guys very much. I really appreciate it. I will see y'all next week.